If I had to start from zero and build a $1,000 per month income stream in 2025, here's exactly what I'd do. Step 1. Pick one proven lane. Forget crypto, day trading, or chasing random AI hacks. I'd choose something that compounds: content, digital products, or affiliate marketing. Step 2. Pick a problem worth solving. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to help people save time, save money, or make money. That's it. Everything else is noise. Step 3. Build a simple offer that solves that problem. That could be an ebook, a Notion template, or a short course, something that gives real value fast. Step 4. Build an audience around it. I'd pick one platform, probably YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and post 3 to 5 times a week teaching what I'm learning. Your first 20 posts won't make you money. Your next 20 might change your life. Step 5. Reinvest everything. Every dollar that comes in goes back into better tools, better content, or ads that bring more eyeballs. It's not flashy, but it's the same strategy every creator, marketer, and online entrepreneur secretly uses to escape the 9 to 5. You don't need a huge following. You just need proof of concept, consistency, and time. If you'd follow this exact roadmap, comment $1,000 plan below, and I'll break down how to scale it to $5,000 next week. Subscribe to Modern Money Manual for realistic money advice that actually works in 2025.